Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, now it's time to start remodeling. That shelf's gonna go and that shelf's gonna go. So yeah, just let's start screwing it away. Yep. Shelf 1 is gone. Shelf 2 is gone. Yeah, it already looks basically, yeah, it feels like it has double in size and it certainly looks a lot bigger. So it's time to move aft and start demolishing the aft cabin. Yeah, now we have started to take away the flooring for the bed. So now it's time to just take everything away here. And then we're gonna start with the other side. Yeah, now the aft cabin is demolished as far as we're gonna demolish it. And yeah, it's insanely big right now when the toilet is gone. So yeah, here's a quick video with Hector and Jack inside this aft cabin. Then you're gonna see the actual size of it. And as you can see, it's really big. Hector is sitting where the toilet used to be. And there's where the bed was. So the next step is to get Sandra out here, and then we're gonna discuss how we are gonna remodel that cabin. So see you then. Yeah, so now we have had the entire aft cabin totally demolished and emptied out. I've just started to move the teak deck and switched over that 60 bed, put it that over here, and now I'm gonna start building up the 120 bed with some drawers and stuff like that. But when I did tear down this aft cabin, yeah, I thought that I'm gonna have a lot more storage, but not this much. I will show you. Yeah, this entire compartment opened up, and yeah, basically I can lay here. That's a 15-liter bucket, and as you can see, it's really big. This compartment's gonna be my garage with some tools, diving equipment, yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, that's enough book work for today. My batteries are out in the tools, so it's, yeah, we are not gonna do anything more today. Yeah, I need to get Sandra out here in the boat so we can decide on how big the door is gonna be, if it's gonna be 2 or 3 in line, or 1 big or 2 on top of each other, or a combo of that. So yeah, a little bit of planning, and yeah, what we are gonna do with that white panel wood. It's not gonna be like that, I promise you that, but how it's gonna be, it's a question for later. So yeah, I'm actually working on a couple of projects to the boat back home, so let's go home and have a look on that. See you then. Yeah, so now we are back home. Over to the board. Fuel leak fixed. The aft cabin is still on the way. Let's see. More fridge freezer. I haven't mounted it, but I've actually got one more. It's out in the workshop. Yeah, I've actually digged down the boat to get access to the fuel tank, so that's on the way also. And as you can see here, I'm making curved patterns for the new soft top. And here, yeah, that's the mount for the captain's chair. So it's basically 2 adjustable mounts on top of each other, so I can move the chair back and forth and side to side. Why I need to be able to move a chair back and forth and side to side it's gonna be clear for you when we are remodeling the doghouse. So yeah, that's that. Yep, so I have a couple of projects at the same time, but these two will just side projects. Yeah, actually here I'm choosing some gloss paint for the teak floor in the aft cabin because I want that to be really sturdy, because most probably it's gonna be the kids that's gonna be in there, so I need something really hard and really durable. So here I have some one component polyurethane, and yeah, it looks like it's turning out really nice. So on these two I had applied 3 layers. On top of these only 1 layer. So I'm gonna let that cure and see the result and how many layers I need to put on. Yeah, so that's that for today. Now I'm gonna park myself behind the computers and edit this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you want. And if you want to support the channel, there are a PayPal account, one Amazon wishlist, and Patreon. So look those up. There's quite more materials on Patreon, and even some raw unedited videos on Patreon. So yeah, if you want, look that up. So that's that. Like and subscribe. See you next time.